Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders, and myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the Camarilla levels. So yesterday we have discussed about Camarilla pivot trading strategy and the Camarilla scanner. So we completed a dashboard which is working for to find out the levels on Camarilla, so that we already discussed on this video. And this video we are going to learn one more thing on the charting scanners, simply how to add the HY and LY levels, so based on our custom indicator which we have created. So in charting, so we can add some custom indicator very easily. So we want to know the coding, and if you know the coding, then we can easily add that custom indicator. So once you know how to add the custom indicator, so you can easily create a dashboard that we can simply follow the system to find out the levels. So here I'm just creating the scanner and the dashboard, so for to find the levels. So after that we can make some logic how to make some trading system by using the Camarilla pivot points, that we can discuss on this series of this video. And let me go to the video. So if you are new, kindly subscribe. So in previous charting scanners what we have created on the dashboard is about to create a Camarilla pivot scanner. Okay, so it's in private only. So maybe in future I can make it a premium. Okay, so look at this. We are already created a L1, L2, L3, L4 for tomorrow's level. So after 5 o'clock, that will be a tomorrow's level. As of now, it is a today's level. So simply we have created the L5 and other levels. So by using a chart, in trading view, it's easy. And what is the L5 formula? So how to calculate L5? So already we completed L1, L2, L3, L4 and L5. So about, and same like that, S1, S2, S3, S4 and S5. So these two we are going to create in this video, and H5 is nothing about our sorry, these are all the H, and bottom is L. Okay. Okay, so high divided by low into close, that is called LH5 and L5. So how we can create that one? So close minus H5 minus close. This will help us to L5. So I'm going to add some values. Whatever the values, it may be changed after 5 o'clock for tomorrow's level. As of now, where it is shown is today's level. So let me go to check the Nifty. I think it changed 725. So as of now, we got a today's level. Maybe I can take a screenshot for that. So because it will help us. So the screenshot which I'm taking for before 5 o'clock. So after 5 o'clock, so you will be getting the data changed. Okay, so let me add some Camarilla. I was searching with the charting scanner in trading view. I find out this one. Finally here it's showing you the L5 levels. So let me look at this Nifty L5 level. So comparing to S2, S1 and S3, S4, here we mentioned S3 here in the green color, S4 is in pink, and the red is about S5. So 18,556. So here we can see the Nifty only 18,605. That should be the lower level. Here you can get that is about L4 level. Okay, so here we can just simply adding that other levels, and by already created the custom indicator. So we want to know about the S5 or H5. So resistance 5. So simply we can add here. Okay, it should be H5. Okay, same like that Camarilla R5. Okay, so here we can add ES5. That means support. Camarilla ES5, that I am going to add as a L4. So both L and S both are same. So sorry, L5. So if I am updating this, we will get all the levels for a Camarilla. So here we can compare with the Nifty. So 18,556.09 is the lowest level, and the highest level should be around 18,774. That is what H5 and L5. So look at this H5 and L5 level. 774, 18,774 is the level, exactly 18,774.91. It's 90 here. and 18556.10, that should be the lower level. So look at this 18556.09 and the values 10. So exactly we are deriving that particular Camarilla pivot point scanner here in this dashboard. So simply we can filter out now trading system. Simply we are going to get it. So now I can refresh this. Let it change for tomorrow. Is there any changes? Nifty still it is not changed, but after sometimes later you will be getting updated for a tomorrow's level. Sorry, you are not getting a tomorrow's level at this moment. Why? Because of today we are using 1 day ago. Okay, so here we are using a 1 day ago, means it will be always saying you today's level only, so till the market close and update. If I'm using current data, so it will be calculating the level for tomorrow thing. So that means exactly we find out what are the levels for tomorrow that we can add. I was searching for some scanners, I can't able to find out. If you are able to find out the scanners, you just ping me in the comment box. So I can search it for a next day scanner. That means next day levels also be possible to plot in the charting scanner. Sorry, this is a trading wave indicator, but I can't able to find out that one. Previously I used, but right now I don't know where it is exactly. So we can get the next day levels also. We will simply here I'm going to here also I searched for. I can't able to get the next day's level. Okay, so if I get a next day's level, that should be a better opportunity, and you can use it weekly levels also. Here I just go for a weekly levels. You can get a weekly levels because it's a first day. So this is what a weekly level market was trading in between the level of R3 and S3. So there is no breakout which we are finding out in this particular scenario. But here you can see there is a breakout and a reversal, lot of things which we can find out, and support it taken. So many strategies which we are going to create by using this method, and finally we are now taken out. So just for a simple coding. So now we are coming into the point to get the coding and how many stocks. Okay, so some initial stages we can find out some opportunities, and simply we can get the reversal, a trend reversal, and that should be a possible. And how I can create a stock which does not break above. So simple scanner I'm going to create. The stock does not break above, and that means the R4 resistance 4. So I want to create some strategy. Just I tell you what is the logic which I'm going to create it. Okay, simply the stock is not break the H4 high or resistance 4. It's not break the H4, and it closed below, and but it crossed above. It must be above H3, and it crosses below H3, and we can go for a selling opportunity. If you are following this, and it would be a better reversal trade opportunity at this level of resistance 3 or H3. Okay, so simply we can create this code in this video, and next video we will make even better opportunities for this Camarilla pivot point scanner. So simply we are going to create a scan. Already I have created a custom indicator. Maybe this custom indicator not available on your charting. So we need to create by custom basis. Okay. So let me go to check in future stocks. I'll be go for, so today's high price, in today's high must be less than the Camarilla R4. Okay, it must be. If you are using a latest, it will not given you the exact thing. Camarilla R4. So we can use 1 day ago. So we are using the current day live scanner. So you can use this Adani Enterprise, India Cements, lot of stocks. Let me go to check. Adani Enterprise. Yeah, it's not, it is less than the R4. Here is the pink line as a R4. Okay, so, but I was going to find out a trade opportunity exactly look this. And here is the reversal. Can we get it? But I was trying to find a reversal entry. Simply, we are going to take, and based on 15 minutes time frame, open price, 15 minutes open. If you find any stock, maybe a reversal. 15 minutes open greater than Camarilla R3, and same time the close must be less than. So it's a one of the scanner. So for a reversal entry less than the 15 minutes Camarilla. If we are using, so Adani Port is the stock. So let me try whether it has given you opportunity. Adani Port. I think the data is updated. Sorry, here it's not a 15 minutes latest. Sorry, 1 day ago. Here there is the only confused. If you are using after market hours, the data will be very okay. Grasping MRF Nifty. Let me check that. Nifty at what point? Closing hours is showing you maybe tomorrow's level. With that R3 will came down. Let me check that. $18,695. Okay. Just wait, we are checking now. Yeah, we got it now. So initially I was making that in a daily time frame. So it was on previously we are seeing that as in a weekly, that is the issue. So here weekly levels, but we are talking about the daily levels. I just go for a daily. So look at this, what exactly we are looking for. Here is the reversal. So what I'm just looking for, the reversal is based on like this, and the market is lower S3, but we are focusing for a selling condition. The exact condition which I used is the close price, the open price is greater than this particular R3. Okay, but it was not greater than, it was not more than R4. Okay, so it is not moved more than R4, but it was slightly going higher and then reversed back. So this is what my reversal point, where I'm looking for a trade opportunity. So that is what my main idea. But here even we have a more trick there to find out a reversal entry. So we find Nifty MR of Grasim. So let me go for a Grasim. So whether it looks good or not. Grasim also the same like that. And Nifty is the one more thing. Nifty also forming a such a pattern. So look at this, the previous open and close below. So maybe at that point I can find out what I'm exactly looking for. Here you can see at this point the market is greater than this particular R3, but it should not able to break the R4 and then reversed back. So maybe this candle is my selling entry, and this is what the result we got it. So this is the area where I can find out for an FT. So if you are saving the scan, so we will be getting that particular idea. So I will always go for a test. Okay, I'll save this, and we will getting the back test also. So how many stocks? Here you can see lot of stocks around 945 today. So maybe Bajaj Finance, SBI, and so let me go to check Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance, SBIN. So here that is the thing which I'm exactly looking for. What we used here, the time frame is around 15 minutes, but here I'm just looking for a 5 minutes. Here is my exact looking reversal. So this is what my idea where I'm creating the scanner. Initially the stock is moving higher, and this point it reversed back and closed below, and maybe this R4 as a stop. So at this top level R4 or even the day high as a stop, and better R4 as a stop. If I keep that R4 as a stop, so here is the reversal in the market moving down to S3. So this is what my expected thing which I create this scanner. So this is what one type of scanner which I'm creating. And look at this, somewhere we find out SBIN, ONGC, Wipro, lot of stock, SBIN. Here is the reversal and that breaks below, and it was given you some down. SBIN and ONGC, I think. ONGC. Yeah, here is the reversal, and we use the 15 minutes time frame. We can change any number of time frame. So here is the reversal, and initially it moved down to 156 and finally it closed nearby the same only. I hope you understand. Here I just use it, simply using to find out a reversal opportunity that may be working for a bank nifty options also, but we can't find that. Adani Enterprise is the one more. Adani Enterprise, we are going to looking at Adani Enterprise. Here is the candle, but it was not triggered our stop loss and closed by the same level. Okay, so a lot of stock which is given you the opportunity where I can find out for a reversal. Okay, at the reversal at S3, even we can use a lot of conditions to filter out. So even I can make that videos in next videos. It looks like a Camarilla pivot point trading strategy study. I can add you on the playlist. Maybe it will help us to watch all the videos. I hope you enjoyed this session. And thank you for watching. This is what a first scanner which we have created on Camarilla levels. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so we can update the video. And here are some stocks like Polycap around 1045. Let me go for a Polycap. So maybe a reversal I'm just focusing for. Polycap, it's about VSE. There is the issue. We go LY Polycap. It is here at this point, it is reversal. That is what I expected, and it was maybe nearby stop loss. So we need to compare that reversal. But here you can see that another one more reversal at this point, and we can easily find out the reversal at this area. Yesterday, same thing. It's never. Oh, it is happening on R4. Okay, so no problem. It is happening on R4. The same R4 reversal also we can find out. Maybe such a big reversal opportunity. Okay, so we will do it on one by one. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. If you have any questions, doubt, just comment on the comment box below. So already we completed the scanner exactly what looking for. Okay, so one scanner which we have created right now, it's about the new one. So this is what a first scanner which we have created on this chatting group, and one by one we can add a lot of scanners. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more updates. Thank you.